Good morning. So, today I am going to open the stock room because I am going to start packing the materials that Mike have it because I take off everything. So, yeah, I have to pack this. Guys, because I don't think this is a lots of mist. I don't think if I can stay here in this house anymore. I have to move. I am going to my brother there will come over here or soon as next week, maybe first week of April, to build me a bamboo house over to my property, because there's no way that I can afford to rent this place. It's too hard. Before I wipe off my savings, I can, at least I have a place, even though it's not uh, I can have a build a bamboo house there, and it's enough to put all my things and us to live there. So I know this is just shocking, but this is the way it is. I cannot afford to stay in this house anymore. So I am going to pack. Thanks again. And these bags inside, that is a material inside, but all is what's this stick off, and all the box there, it's empty. The styro for the washing machine is there, and these tools, yeah, chargeable, electric chargeable, whatever is that, screw. And then this transformer. Yeah, that's it. I wasn't expecting this, because my expectation is something else, but it's just got to the point that can't do anything. If you are on that situation, then you just have no choice. You just have to do and keep your life forward. My YouTube is losing, as I don't get paid. Every 2 months, and that wasn't big. As you know, the views is not much, so I'm struggling. I thought I can survive, but I think it's just the end of. I'm just being me. I just don't want to be, pretending. So I have to prepare, and I want to when my brother came here, which is I have to buy the bamboo material to build me as a house. Then it's hard. I don't want to cry. I want to be done. The house is even less than 1 month, so I can move there soon as possible. Even though I am going to apply for the electric, and the application is take a while before they put your electric. So maybe we can stay there before the electric. We were there already, so maybe we'll stay there for the dark. And yeah, we have to uh, sacrifice. It's just, I feel so bad, but that's a life. So guys, that's how I have to, the plan. I know it's shocking, but this is the way it is. I cannot afford to stay in this house. This house is nice, and I have a store there, but it's not enough for the bills every month, the earnings. And aside from my the YouTube also is down, so down zero. So that's it. So yeah, let me inform you, anything comes up more when my siblings, they're here, and then when they are going to start the house, bamboo house. So that's it. Bye bye for now. See you later.